Naukar Educare. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Naukar Educare. Today we shall be discussing golden rules of investing in stock markets for beginners. The temptation of making big and quick money has always attracted investors to stock markets. However, making money in equities is not easy. It requires a lot of patience and discipline, along with a great deal of research and a sound understanding of the market, among others. Added to this is the fact that stock market volatility in the last few months has left investors in a state of confusion. They are in a dilemma whether to invest, hold, or sell in such a scenario. It is often said that once in a lifetime opportunity for an investor shows up in such uncertain and volatile times. This may prove to be a golden opportunity for an investor who is just about to start his journey in the world of stock markets. So let's find out some rules for a beginner to follow to make use of this once in a lifetime opportunity. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Avoid the herd mentality. When an investor is starting to invest, his decisions are usually heavily influenced by the actions of his acquaintances, neighbors, or relatives. Thus, if everybody around is investing in a particular stock, the tendency for a potential investor is to do the same. But this strategy is bound to backfire in the long run. Take informed decisions. Investing decisions should always be made by doing proper research. An investor should not make an investment decision unless and until he has enough confidence on his stock picking and fundamental analysis. Invest in business which an investor understands. Buying a stock should be looked upon as buying a business, and an investor should not invest in a business which he doesn't understand. Don't try to time the market. Nobody has the ability to successfully and consistently time a business or stock market cycle. Catching the top and bottom is a myth. So, an investor should not try to time the market. Write down an investment strategy and follow a disciplined approach. It is prudent to have patience and follow a disciplined investment approach. An investor who follows a systematic and disciplined approach would be generating outstanding returns in long run. Create a broad portfolio. It is often said that don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification of portfolio across asset classes and instruments is the key factor to earn optimum returns on investments with minimizing the risk. Find a mentor. The path to stock market glory starts with a good mentor. A novice investor often gets caught up in tough situations. At that time, he needs a mentor who can handhold him to pass through such difficult period. Continuous learning. Trust me, there is no shortcut to success in this market. An investor should regularly read financial journals, business newspapers, and be updated regarding the news going on in the financial world. An investor should make himself a learning machine. A word of caution. How much one is confident about themselves making a big return in stock markets, they should not make a mistake to substitute trading in stock markets as a source for their daily living. The high volatility and unpredicted behavior of markets are not in favor of an investor. One should consider this as their secondary job and start building their wealth, taking one step at a time. Disclaimer. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please feel free to give your feedback in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel Navkar Educare and press the bell notification to get latest updates on our daily videos. Eager to meet you all in my next video. Till then, stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.